Hey, we have to do something now.
No.
Then why should I sit?
Okay, Sit, I wanted to tell you something.
Yeah, man, come talk.
టీవీని డస్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను.
No.
బట్ సో అంత డస్ట్ ఉంది యశ్.
Priyanka, shut up. Okay, just wait, man. I'm getting on a call. Sorry. Priyanka, what are you doing, Priyanka?
I'm gonna clean the టీవీ.
No!
జస్ట్ ఒక డ్రై క్లాత్ తీసుకొని డస్ట్ చేస్తా యశ్.
Don't touch my TV. Okay, don't touch my TV.
Clean it at some
I will,
point.
I will do it professionally. Let's not touch the TV. Please, don't touch the TV.
Why do you not trust me with the TV? జస్ట్ ఒక డ్రై క్లాత్ తోటి ప్లేట్ లో డస్ట్
Not the
చేస్తా
TV,
యశ్.
no. That's one of the most important
Things in your life.
to my life.
Learning portals.
Yeah, so let's not touch the TV. You can touch everything else.
Fine. Hi everyone, good morning. So, ఇవాళ యాక్చువల్లీ వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం పూజ ఉంది. శ్రావణ మాసంలో ఇది సెకండ్ వీక్. సో మేము ఆ పూజకి వెళ్ళాలి ఇప్పుడు. కానీ మై హస్బెండ్ ఇస్ నాట్ అప్ యట్. అండ్ whenever I want to wake up my husband, I start playing this music. It's not loud music. It is very pleasant music that he likes to wake up to. So it does the trick anamata usually. And you'll be surprised the kind of music he listens to in the morning. They are not bhajans, but they're like chantings. So I'm going to play them on like loud volume to wake him up now. I'm sorry, close up flow, pimple and all that. I'm sorry. ఇవి వస్తున్నాయి మహామంత్రం కోసం చూస్తుంటే. ఫస్ట్ మహాతల్లి, మహాభారత్.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
It worked.
Priyanka.
It worked అంటున్నా. So mornings we start our day with this kashayam. My mom made the powder. నేను మీకు ఇంకొక వీడియోలో ఈ కషాయం పౌడర్ ఎలా చేస్తారో నేను వీడియోలో చూపిస్తాను. ప్రాబబ్లీ ఈ ఛానల్లో కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఛానల్లో కానీ. సో యా, ఇలా మహామంత్ర మ్యూజిక్ అండ్ కషాయంతో మై హస్బెండ్ వేక్స్ అప్. So in kashayam or green tea, I usually add lemon and honey, and along with that, I've been adding these tulsi drops as well. These are from Healthvit. I partnered with Healthvit for this video to show you guys their immunity boosting kit. It comes with these supplements and tulsi drops as well. So tulsi is very very beneficial, as we all know. It helps boost immunity. It helps get relief from cough and cold. And it has antioxidant properties. It's great for skin, hair, and even general health. And this kit also has vitamin C plus zinc. So zinc helps vitamin C get absorbed easily, and it helps with immunity boosting, and it helps fight against cold and other infections. Same with zinc. Zinc is also great in building our immunity system. And Immunid is the other supplement, and this is like a multivitamin. It has vitamin A, B12, D, E, K, C, folic acid, and all the other minerals and everything. And this also helps with building resistance and building our immunity. So this whole thing is like an immunity boosting kit. And right now we all know how it is essential, and I'm sure everyone's been taking supplements as per doctor suggestions. So this is what I've been using lately. Hope everyone's like taking good care of themselves, and I am glad to show you guys these. I think they're very useful. So I'll leave the links in the description box. You can get yourself this immunity boosting kit as well. And then Yash's sister had come to visit us.
From there you get hundreds. So everything is moving that side. This is the movement of northeast monsoons basically.
Now it's
Outside left. Yeah. So So this is the whole northeast monsoon. The clouds will start from where? From Arabian Sea they will start. After 3 months the direction will be reversed. They'll again come back here. That is called southwest monsoon.
ప్లే చేస్తున్నది. ఎందుకు అలా చేస్తున్నారు? బెల్లు పోయి నాకు షేక్ కమ్ హియర్. That day I had made these Thai sticky noodles for lunch, and then you can see he's just not letting me touch the TV. My husband's been obsessed with this TV.
Invite me.
కాదు సీరియస్గా
మ్యూజియంస్ లో పెడతారు కదా, డోంట్ టచ్
ఇంట్లో ఏదో దాని తప్ప US లో some city అది కొట్సండి బాస్టన్ బాస్టన్ ఉండొచ్చు.
You drop me out. Please,
But situation
And we went to see two of the dogs which we gave up for adoption. They're in a farm, so we went to visit them, and as you can see they're super happy and they're like healthy, so we're really glad to see them. These are Bella's siblings.
అరే సింబు
పురుగులు ఉన్నాయి అట్కి షిట్ తీసుకురావాల్సింది స్ప్రే అవి.
సింబు
బాగా పెద్దగా ఉన్నట్టునే.
జాగ్రత్త అమ్మా తేజ తేజ జాగ్రత్త. ఓకే ఓకే చాలు చాలు చాలు. కష్టమమ్మా తట్టుకోవటం.
హగ్స్ అంట.
నిన్ను కూడా ఎత్తుకుంటా.
వాడు చాలా కొరుకుతాడంటాడు.
కొరకట్లే కానీ
So basically this has been our routine for the lockdown, pretty much just spending time at home, working from home, and just spending some time with family, and that's about it basically. Let me know in the comments how you've been spending this lockdown time, or not government imposed anymore, self lockdown. So you guys know that after the lockdown we moved to the new house, and for the longest time we didn't even have much of furniture, and even now I'm scared to go out and check out furniture, and online it's a little difficult to know the quality, right? So today I had some important work where I had to collect some medicines, so I had to step out. So finally, because I've stepped out, I picked up a chair. You can see it here. So there's this small store in Banjara Hills that my friends told me about. So my close friends who you probably seen in every vlog and my wedding videos. So yeah, So I picked up a small table. You can see it here. I will show you guys a better in a better way, of course. And this store has all vintage furniture which is restored, and some of them are freshly made too, but they have that vintage styles they have that vintage style furniture. So I'll include a clip here. I'll show you guys some of the pieces that they have. So check out the store if you're interested in such vintage style furniture. I'm sure all of you guys are, because now this is trending. So yeah, I checked out that. Tomorrow is supposed to be Undrala Taddi, which my mom just told me. Okay, I only know about Atla Taddi, so I don't know about this. I think I haven't been doing much of hauls these days. I've started a new job, so it's been a little hectic. So but anyway, I filmed a casual sarees haul. I filmed a Banaras sarees haul, and I also filmed one home decor video and some styling videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram, do check out my Instagram. I've been posting some videos there as well. So I'm not able to create content for my Telugu channel and my English channel and Instagram. It's been a little hectic, but I'm gonna try and do my best to keep posting regularly. So I'll be back with haul videos, and a lot of you guys have been asking for makeup videos, so I'll be doing those as well. And this is not Bath and Body Works, it's just a cover. I've put something in that. I did not go to Bath and Body Works, guys. No, I had some work where I had to pick up something important. That's why I stepped out. No, I didn't go casually shopping, but because I was out anyway, and furniture is important, so yeah, picked up those. So that was it for this video, guys. Do come back and watch my Undrala Taddi vlog whenever that is up, probably next week. And I'll be back with haul videos, so stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and also find me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Everything that I've spoken about in this video will be in the description box. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs. Everyone's staring at me in a weird way because I've stopped to finish the vlog. I'll see you guys. This is hibiscus tea and it's homemade. We put hibiscus from our garden, and Sushma made this. Looks so colorful. Kinda garden lo ichi kosara.
మనం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళక్కర్లా అన్ని మన ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నాయి.
నీ చీర ఇంకా అవి మ్యాచింగ్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు రౌండ్స్ పెడతావా మరి?
చేతుల్లోను,
పాదాల్లో,
చందమామ చిక్కులు పాదాలకి, అరికాళ్ళల్లోను.
నువ్వు కూడా పెట్టుకుంటావా?
నేను ముత్తైదు ఉంది కదా, నేను కూడా పెట్టుకోవాలి.
The gorintaku is all grinded and ready. My mom already has a little bit on her. So here we go.